Unleash your memory, the PEG system technique. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that can revolutionize the way you remember information, the PEG system. This technique is not just a memory tool, it's a lifeline for students, professionals, and lifelong learners alike. So, if you've ever struggled to remember a list of items, facts, or even vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unlock the potential of your memory together. The PEG system is a mnemonic technique used to memorize lists that need to be remembered in a specific order. It works by associating items with a pre-memorized peg, or hook, upon which you can hang the information you want to remember. Imagine your memory is like a coat rack. Each peg on the rack is a pre-learned prompt. When you have a new item, like a word or a number, you hang it on one of these pegs. The incredible part is that each peg can hold a lot of information. There are various types of PEG systems, but the two most common are the number-rhyme PEG system and the number-shape PEG system. The number-rhyme PEG system. In this system, numbers are associated with words that rhyme with them. For example, 1 is a gun, 2 is a shoe, 3 is a tree. You would then visualize the item you're remembering in a scenario with its corresponding rhyme. To remember a shopping list, if the first item is milk, you might picture a gun shooting a milk bottle. The number-shape PEG system. This system involves linking numbers to objects that resemble the shape of the number. For instance, 1 looks like a pole, 2 looks like a swan, 3 looks like a heart. If you need to remember to email someone as your third task, you could visualize a heart being sent in an email. Language learners can use the PEG system to memorize new vocabulary, grammatical rules, or even idiomatic expressions. For vocabulary, associate the word with a vivid image that relates to the sound or meaning of the word and hang it on your peg. For grammar rules, create an image that symbolizes the rule. If you're learning tenses, for instance, you might visualize a clock wrapped in different colors for different tenses. For idioms, picture the literal meaning of the idiom interacting with the peg. If the idiom is hit the sack, you might imagine a sack hitting your chosen peg. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has shed some light on the PEG system and given you a new strategy to enhance your memory. This technique can be a game changer for your language learning journey, making retention more efficient and even fun. So give it a try, and don't forget to practice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.